Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by reducing waste before you run the system. First, set the thermostat to 24 degrees 26 degrees so the unit cycles less. This saves energy while keeping comfort. Then, clean or replace the filter. Dirty filters force the AC to work harder and raise bills. Next, examine window and door seals and apply weather stripping to stop drafts. Once done, run the fan briefly to confirm airflow and make sure the system responds to the new thermostat setting. Once basic prep is complete, focus on performance details that cut energy use. Clean the outdoor condenser coils and remove debris. Keep 2-3 FT clearance so heat disperses efficiently. Inspect refrigerant lines and re-insulate any exposed tubing. Proper insulation reduces compressor runtime. Then, program a timer or smart thermostat to raise set point when you're away and lower it before you return. This prevents constant cooling while still delivering comfort. Make sure to run a manual test cycle to verify changes. To finish, confirm even airflow. Measure vent output, adjust dampers, and close doors to unused rooms so conditioned air goes where needed. Schedule an annual professional tune-up to test the capacitor, fan motor, and refrigerant levels for peak efficiency. If you encounter weak cooling, unusual noise, or frequent cycling, first recheck the filter, replace thermostat batteries, and inspect the circuit breaker. If problems persist, call a technician. One targeted repair often restores efficiency far more than repeated short-term fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.